Today I installed the 67 design rail mount for the Jeep JL. Watch this video for the whole stuff that I did today. The box, they give you a sticker, comes with it. And then tomorrow I'll attach these two to the carbon fiber arm. I got the matte finish. That one, the small one, on the phone. Yep, we'll look at tomorrow. Comment below what kind of mounting setup you got for your gadgets, and let me know how it works for you, and if you know, like if 67 design is the one that you got as well. Let me know if you love it, or if you don't. Please like and subscribe in this channel.